Feeling pretty numb, or you can't tell?
Yeah, I mean, I can.
You'll feel pressure?
Yeah, I can feel pressure.
You won't feel pain.
Is this where you suggest not watching this?
I would, yeah. Just lay back, look at the ceiling. Because then you'll anticipate pain even though you're not feeling it.
Alright.
Little pressure here. You're doing good. Feeling anything?
Mm-mm.
Good. Doing great on my end.
Oh, never mind. I felt that one.
And you're almost done. If you can handle that, you might feel it a little bit more. Almost done.
Oh, fuck.
It's all out. Just gonna clean a little bit of this skin up. You okay up there? Pressure or pain?
I'm just like, I feel it's like just like the anticipation. I'm just like squeezing my hands so hard.
You're fine. You're all done.
You all done?
That is it. I'm just gonna bandage it up. Just hold still.
Okay. Was it in there?
Yeah, it was pretty bad. Not bad, but I mean, enough that you needed to have it done.
Yeah. Do you ever?
I see much worse than
Yeah.
this.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
So I don't have to worry about losing my toe.
No.
I'm like, my mom. It's like I showed it to her. She's like, "You better go do that. You're gonna lose your toe." I'm like, I'm not gonna lose my
No,
toe.
you're healthy. It's the unhealthy people that are at risk for that.